What's up, buds? Welcome to JCC Vids and Vlogs, and today I'm making Coquito. So even though I know it's past the holidays, but during the holidays I was busy with other stuff, so I ran out of time to make this, so I'm making it now. I'm hoping the holidays coming up in 2021, at the end of the year 2021, I'll make this for everyone, hopefully. So here we go. I'm using a blender. So first we need...
You're looking up your recipe, right?
Yep.
Okay, good.
So we just need a can of condensed milk first. Then a can of evaporated milk.
Okay.
And then and it's just one can. And one can of cream of coconut.
Nice.
1 can of coconut milk.
Oh boy.
Alright, and then 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. 1/8 of a teaspoon of cloves. 1/8 of a teaspoon of
ground
nutmeg.
cloves?
Ground cloves, yeah.
And ground nutmeg?
1/8 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg.
Awesome. And a pinch of salt.
Yeah, a pinch of salt.
Okay. So.
And I'll show you what we do with the cinnamon sticks later. We need 3 of them.
Okay. So, you're going to open those up. So, we'll come back after they're open.
Alright, buds, now that I got all my cans open, I'm going to start with the evaporated milk.
So, normally people drink this with alcohol, but obviously, since you're a young teenager, you cannot have that.
Yep.
So, we will not include alcohol.
Oh yeah, so this is a non-alcoholic version. And then I'm putting in the coconut milk.
Okay. Nice. Very nice.
And be sure to shake all these.
Yeah, before.
And I'm going to put the cream of coconut. I might need this.
Yeah, most likely. Oops. There you go. Beautiful.
Oh, because this is like syrup.
Yeah. It's like a thick syrup, I agree.
Yeah. Alright, next goes the condensed milk.
Ooh, that's thick.
I'm gonna need this again.
This is a sweet drink, huh?
Yep, a sweet coconut drink, and with a few spices.
Yes.
the 1 tablespoon of cinnamon.
Okay. I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry, buds. I was about to sneeze. Okay.
Here we go. 1.
What's that now?
This is the ground cloves, and I'm going to use 1/8 of a teaspoon.
Okay. We can come back.
Alright, bud, so I just had to get those open. So now I have the cloves, and I'm going to use 1/8 of a teaspoon.
Okay. Oh, wait, sorry, didn't see it.
This is ground cloves, of course.
Okay, cool.
Now, 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. This is a 1/4 of a teaspoon that I'm using, so it's obviously a little less than that. So, this is like 1/8. So.
Okay. Can we stop a second?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, buds. Now I'm just going to add a pinch of salt, just to balance the sweetness out.
Okay, very nice.
And now I'm going to blend it until well combined.
Okay.
Alright. If you have 1/8 of a teaspoon, then you can just use that. But my set didn't come with 1/8, so I had to measure it with a 1/4 of a teaspoon.
Oh, you had to improvise. Okay, no problem.
Alright. And now I have my glass bottle, and I'm going to be using a funnel.
Right. Okay. So, that might be a little complicated. So, give us a second. Let us try to figure out how to put that in there. Okay, buds? We'll come right back.
Alright, I just had to pause to figure out the position to hold the funnel in and pour it in.
Let me see. I'm going to record from the bottom. Nice. Very nice, very nice. And you have to always use a funnel because those things are very, very thin.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
You might go too much. Okay. We're going to have to, buds, we're going to have to just pour the rest in somewhere else. And you have to cover it now, right?
Of course.
And put it in the fridge. For how long you put it in the fridge?
Oh, wait. Let me just for a second. And then I said we actually do something with the cinnamon sticks.
Oh, yeah, of course, definitely.
So
put some cinnamon sticks in there.
Yeah, like to kind of bring out a nice cinnamon flavor.
How many? Like
3.
3? Beautiful. You pour 3 cinnamon sticks in there. Beautiful.
Yeah.
2. And then the 3rd. So about how many hours we leave it inside for? Like 3, 4 hours? What is it?
I mean, there's no like specific amount of time for that.
Maybe the longer the better?
Yeah, but definitely the longer the better, yeah.
Alright.
And I'll give it a nice shake.
Oh, definitely. Alright.
Alright, and yeah, you could refrigerate for like
3-4 hours.
Yeah, like 2 to 4 hours, let's say.
Alright. So.
Because it's best cold.
True. The colder the better.
Yep.
And the more the cinnamon's like, it gets the flavor of the cinnamon inside, the better, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, bud. So we'll see you later.
Oh yeah, I'll see you later while I'm ready to pour this and drink
it. Okay.
Alright, bud. So it's been in the fridge for 4 hours. You know, I shook it.
It's a little thick. Oh, that's a cinnamon stick.
Yep.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Nice. Nice.
Yeah, I'm going to fill it up to here.
That's it. Put the cinnamon stick back inside, honey. Oh, boy. That looks delicious.
It does.
Okay, close it. Tell me how it is. Tell me how it tastes.
It's so good.
Yeah? What does it taste like, Jay? Tasty.
Well, yeah, it's tasty and nice and sweet. All right. So
again, buds, no liquor.
Yep, it would be less sweet if we put liquor, but we can't put liquor, so. But it is delicious. So I have some playlist links I'm gonna leave in the description. One is Jay's Tasty Latin Recipes, and the other one is videos I did during the coronavirus pandemic, because unfortunately we're in a pandemic.
Even though it's 2021, people.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll be over later this year.
Hopefully, God willing.
So be sure to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and peace out to Brooklyn till next video. Alright, buds. I forgot to mention that, and it's important to mention that the only reason I was able to pour this much was because it doesn't have liquor. If it did have liquor, I would have to pour a little bit at a time as small portions, otherwise you would get drunk.
That's right.
Yeah, I just wanted to say that because it was important. So, peace out to Brooklyn for real now. Alright, bud, so it's been in the fridge for 4 hours.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
Nice and cold? We had to shake it a little, right?
We sure did, and now I'm gonna pour it in.
Uh-oh. Don't tell me it's frozen. What's happening? Okay, well,